Hi, I'm Neetu. Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. Today we have Beach Theme Birthday Series Part 5. And thus we have the recipe for Russian Golden Key Cake with its decoration in beach theme. Basically this is a cake with toffee sauce or caramel sauce. So first we'll prepare the sauce. For that I have taken a pan. Add half cup of sugar, slightly mix and caramelize it in medium flame. Once it's caramelized, add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix till it combines well. Then add half cup of condensed milk or Milkmaid. Here I am using Nestle sweetened condensed milk. Mix it thoroughly. Once it is mixed, add 3/4 cups of fresh cream or whipping cream. Then mix. Once you mix, you can see there will be formation of lumps. Or sometimes it looks like curdled. No issues. Keep the flame on low to medium and allow it to dilute. So now it has taken almost 30 minutes to dilute, but still there are lumps, so keep it for some more time. It's completely dissolved and this is the consistency. You can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it is cooled, this is the consistency. Now I'll make the syrup for the cake. For that, I have taken half cup of water with sugar and it is diluted. Then I have added 1 tablespoon of this syrup to it. Now we'll layer the cake. For that, to the cake stand, I am adding in a bit of whipping cream. Here I have taken the vanilla sponge cake. I have the detailed recipe for the vanilla sponge cake. I'll give the link in the description box. So this is a vanilla sponge cake of 9 inch. I have cut into 3 layers. Keep the first layer. This is sugar syrup. That is, take half cup of water, boil it, then add half cup of sugar and allow it to dilute. Once it is diluted and cooled, add 1 tablespoon of prepared caramel sauce. Then we have the sugar syrup to soak the cake. This is what it is. So soak it generously. Once you soak, you will get that juicy feeling. When you soak the cake, you need to refrigerate for almost 8 hours. Then you will get the perfect texture. Once the soaking is finished, then add whipping cream to this to give the next layer. Spread the whipping cream. Make sure that it is spread evenly. Just drizzle some caramel sauce. Spread it. Now you can keep the next layer. Then soak it, spread the whipping cream, add the caramel sauce. This is how you have to do all the 3 layers. This is a 2-tier cake, so we'll do the next one also. It's a cake with 5-inch width. So keep the first layer of the second tier and do the same thing. Soak it, layer with whipping cream and caramel sauce. Continue with all the layers and finish the crumb coat. Now we are going to do the final coat. I have taken whipping cream in a piping bag. Spread the whipping cream throughout and give the finishing. Now the final touch is given with a brush. Don't give a smooth finish for this cake because it's beach theme. So just a vague finishing is enough. Now to give a sandy effect, I'm just keeping some biscuit powder. Since this is a beach theme series in which I do everything with white and blue combination, I'll give a blue touch for this. If you're not giving any colors, then you can keep this added biscuit powder even in the cake board also. But to give a blue touch, I'm giving a piping near to the cake board. Here you can use the biscuit powder itself. If you are using biscuit powder, just apply some whipping cream on the cake board and dust with biscuit powder. Then you will get even the sandy finishing in the cake board. So pipe it with the whipping cream. Once the bottom layer is finished, I am doing the same thing with the first layer. This is just to give that blue touch. Now it is almost set. Again, I am dusting with some biscuit powder at the top. This is completely optional. This is not part of Russian golden cake. Since I want to suit with the beach theme, I am doing this. Then refrigerate it overnight. Don't give the perfect finishing for this. Smooth finishing does not match with this. Now we'll decorate with the toppers. These all are handmade. I have the detailed video. I'll give the description box. Now keep one after the other. If you are doing this for some customers, then you have to fix all the toppers with melted chocolate. You melt some white chocolate and then pour a bit and then fix this one. Otherwise it will move from this place. Since this is not for any customers, I don't use white chocolate. I just keep like that only. It will not move. Since all the toppers are made with gum paste, do this topping only just before cutting the cake. Otherwise it will melt. And this is the final look for the cake. So hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it home. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.